My name is Katie Romanovich. I am a senior here at Cal Lutheran studying film and television. I take film theory classes as well as production classes. Being able to go from theorizing film to creating it is a really good way to get hands-on experience, and it's super fun. Every day is jam-packed with endless opportunities. I am able to write and direct my first short film through the CLU TV and Cinema Production Club. I have worked in casting for Fox Animation, and right now I'm doing an internship at CBS. The small classroom setting has really allowed me to become very close just with friends in this major, and sharing those skills and learning from each other on set and in the classroom has been great. The professors here are fantastic. That really close professor-student relationship is special. He knows my name, I'm not just a number. You will learn an incredible amount and just grow tremendously. I feel like I can definitely be successful because of my education here.